had 10 apples with me, but my friend wanted to eat 2 apples, so I gave it to him. Students, it is a good habit to share. We should always share our things with others. Here I have 8 apples on the table. Look what happened. Jalaj came and took 3 more apples. Now I am left with only 5 apples. Here these children had 7 balloons. One balloon was left free, and now there are 6 balloons left, as 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Children, the process of taking away a certain number of objects from a group of objects, or taking one number from the object, is generally known as subtraction. This subtraction is denoted by a sign called minus. There are different words which are related to subtraction, that is, take away, minus, less, decrease, fewer, difference, subtract. Now let's see the subtraction on a number line. Here we need to subtract 8 minus 6. So we need to move 8 steps from 0 to reach 8, and then come back 6 steps from 8. This way we reach at 2. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Subtraction in abacus. For example, I have to subtract 435 from 658. In abacus, we see 8 beads in ones place, 5 beads in tens place, and at hundreds place we have 6 beads. Now let us first subtract ones place. So let us remove 5 beads from 8 to get 3. And we write 3 at ones place. Similarly, we see the digits at tens place. We remove 3 beads from 5 beads and get 2, and write 2 at tens place. Now we see 100. From 6 beads we remove 4 beads to get 2, and we write down 2. So our answer is 223. In fact, we call it to be the difference. Now we'll see these number sentence should be written in a vertical column. Whenever we have the word problem in a sentence form, we write as per the vertical column, where we have ones, tens, and 100. So this is our second step, that the digits has to be written under the place value 100, tens, ones. Now we see the subtraction at ones place. Here, out of 8 objects, we have to subtract 5. So we remove 5 objects from here and we get 3. So we write down 3 under ones place. Similarly, we have to see the tens digit, that is 5 and 3. So 5 objects, I remove 3 objects and I get, so from 5 objects I remove 3 to get 2 and I write down 2 at tens place. Now we see the digits at 100 place, that is from 6 I remove 4 and get 2 and I write 2. That is, the difference becomes 223. So students, what did we see over here? That first the sentence has to be written in a vertical column, then arrange the digits as per the place value. Now we have the subtraction poem. Subtraction poem says, more on top, no need to stop. That makes, we see the digits at ones place and we see the 9 which is greater, it's on top, and we simply do the addition. Then we have more on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Over here, as you can see, floor means the below number. We see the digits 2 and 6 is greater than 2 which is on the floor. So we go to the next house of tens. We go to the next house of tens. As sometimes you also don't bring your things and you ask your friend who is sitting just next to you. So in this case, ones takes from tens and becomes 12, and 12 minus 6 becomes 6. And then we have number is the same, 0 is the same. That is, if the digits at ones place are same, we have 0. So this is the rule of subtraction that which you have to keep in mind. Now students, repeat with me this poem, which goes like, more on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Number is the same, 0 is the game. Yeah, this is how you have to remember it. Now, on the basis of these rules, we will see another problem of subtraction. Here we have to subtract 7689 from 9635. So first thing, we have to arrange as per the place value chart, and the greater number at the top, the smaller number at the bottom. Now we'll see the place value, that is ones. We compare these two digits and what do we see? We find 5 is less than 9. So what happens? It will go to the tens place, that is to 3. And over here we have, since 1 tens is equal to 10 ones, so 3 becomes 2 and 5 becomes 15. Why? Because 10 ones plus 5 ones is equal to 15 ones. Now 15 ones minus 9 ones becomes 6 ones, and we write down 6 at ones column. Why? Because ones we are not going to write. Now we'll see the tens digit, that is 2 and 8, and we compare 2 and 8, and what did we find? Yes, we saw that 2 is less than 8. So it will also go to hundreds place, and since 100 is equal to 10 tens, so 6 becomes 5 and 10 tens plus 2 tens is 12 tens. So tens, instead of 2 we have 12. So 12 tens minus 8 tens become 4 tens, and we write only 4 in the tens column. Now students, we will compare the digits at hundreds place. Here we have 5 and 6. Now it is not 6 because 1 has already been given to tens. So 5 is less than 6 and it goes to 1000, and 9 becomes 8. Why? Because 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. So 5 tens becomes 5 hundreds become 15 hundreds, as 10 hundred plus 5 hundreds is 15 hundreds, and 15 hundreds minus 6 hundreds is 9 hundreds. So we write 9 at hundreds column. Now we'll see the thousand column, that is 8 and 7. Here we find 8 is greater than 7, and as per the rule, more on top, no need to stop. So 8000 minus 7000 becomes your 1000. So 8000 minus 7000 become 1000, and we write down 1 at 1000. So our answer is 1946. Students, this is the difference of the problem. Here we have to keep in mind that in subtraction the result is not an answer, but it is a difference. I repeat few points again. First, you have to write the sentence in a vertical column, then arrange the digits as per the place value, write the greater number at the top, smaller number down below, and then you see the subtraction. Here are some points to remember, which says subtraction means taken away. The result of subtraction is called its difference. If a number is subtracted from the number itself, the difference is 0. Example, 7 minus 7 is 0. Then if the number is subtracted from any number, if 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the same number. Example, 7 minus 0 is 7. Also, we know that 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So 9 is referred to as minuend, 6 is referred to as subtrahend, and 3 is referred to as difference. So this is how we do the subtraction. Now here again, since you have understood the concept, so students, you have to take it with the patience. Don't be in haste. Take your own time to calculate, think it over, and then attempt the sum, and you'll get it correct. I hope it's all clear to you. Happy learning. Thank you.